Hey, hey. I wanted to thank you guys for turning up, turning it out last week. And last week was so incredible. We had people from all around the world that it was absolutely amazing where we got to share our insider pro tips to help everyone get healthier, happier with Kudos magazine. And a lot of people came on because they were sick and tired of multitasking to the max, being sick and tired of feeling sick or tired all the time, overwhelmed, doing 5,000 things, not sure which direction to turn to and what they have to do next, just stressed out to the max. So thank you guys for turning up, for Get Healthy and Happy with me. For a Healthy, Happy 3-day challenge last week with Kudos magazine. And I hope I helped a lot of you guys that were like stuck and sick of being stuck and in the same exact spot and overwhelmed and not knowing what to do next. So I hope our pro tips helped you. I hope you had some fun. I hope you took away some healthier, happier hacks so that you too can live life to the full. That's what it's all about. Hey, Liz, I see you on there. Did you guys ever, maybe you can relate to this. You guys ever go to run out for an event and you're like, oh man, maybe it's going to be colder later or it might rain or snow. Maybe I should bring my jacket, right? And then you're like, nah, and you don't. And then you kick yourself when it rains out and you're colder later, right? Tell me you haven't done that. I have done that too. I want to help you guys listen to your inner gut because a lot of times that inner tuition is right. We don't have to kick ourselves anymore. I see all these eyeballs drop me. Who's on? Where are you watching from? I want to help you guys get unstuck. So instead of being overwhelmed with 5,000 things on your to-do list, you don't get any done. Then you have more on your to-do list and you don't know which to do next. I want to simplify it and help you guys out. So Richard Branson told me in a recent meeting, because I learned from the best, make decisions and make rapid decisions. So I want to simplify it for you. Are you guys sick and tired of being stuck and overwhelmed and not sure what to do next? And maybe you're just waking up exhausted and not feeling right and wish like you were your old self and you're feeling better and had the energy that you used to do when you were much younger and you just want to be smiling all the time? Or do you just want to stay miserable the way you are now? So that's a choice you have to make. Maybe you're happy not having health and not feeling good and being tired all the time. But let me know right now, drop down below. You want to feel better? You want to be happier? All right, then I have a call to action to you. So I'm going to say this. Your call to action is, are you happy being miserable or are you sick and tired of being sick and tired and stuck? If you're ready to get unstuck and you want to get healthier and feel better, re-energize and be happier like I am, I'm not just some Joe Schmo that's trying to teach you something. I have over 30 years as a registered nurse, 3 decades as a nationally board certified nurse practitioner. Hey, Michigan, I have 5 college degrees in this, 4 medical and nursing licenses. I have personal experiences of myself being left helpless and hopeless by the doctors and specialists to healing myself holistically. And now I'm happier and energetic and feeling better. So I have not only 3 decades in the medical field and 5 decades of learning behind me, but personal experience too. I'm not just that Joe Schmo. So if you're feeling overwhelmed and you want to take a step forward, but you're just not sure what that step is, I've been there, done that. Only take directions when people have been there, done that. I can lead you by the hand. I'm going to simplify. I'm going to say, listen, next step is this. So your next step is, are you happy being unhappy? Or you're ready to take the next step to feel better, re-energize, be happy already. If you're ready to take that next step, just click the link. Somebody's just going to drop it below, or I'm going to drop it below. Check it out. You know what? The biggest thing you could do is decline something you know nothing about. So check it out. And you know what? There's bonuses and there's 65% off savings that end at midnight Tuesday night. So check it out. If I see you there, great. If not, I wish you the best of luck. All right, guys, be well, biohack, follow, and check out the link and then decide, are you ready to get unstuck? Go with Shane and Melissa. Get healthier, feel better, re-energize, and be happier so you too can smile more often. Love you guys.